Okay, so our next text structure is going to be chronological or sequence. Authors use the chronological order to help explain how things happen in a specific order. This can also be called sequential order or time order. There are some clue words for chronological order. They might be first, second, next, then, or finally. If you are going to write about this picture, about this frog, how might you, as the author, use chronological order to do this writing? What is something about frogs that you can think about that must happen in chronological order? Well, if you said the life cycle of a frog, you would be exactly right. That is something that must happen in a specific order. So if you were going to be writing about that, you would be writing in chronological or sequential text structure. The next text structure we're going to look at is compare and contrast. So, authors use this text structure to show how two or more things are alike and different. And here I am using these birds. As you can see, one is a blue jay and one is a cardinal. So, some clue words when you are using the compare and contrast text structure could be both, same, different, or unlike. There is also a graphic organizer that is often used when we are doing compare and contrast. That is what is called a Venn diagram. So if I was going to compare these two birds, I could write down what each one of them has that is different in their own circle. And then in the crossover where it says both, I would put what these two have that they share that are the same. This is compare and contrast text structure. The next one we're going to look at is cause and effect. So, authors use this structure when they want to explain how one event leads to another. Notice my pictures here. If you have a big snowstorm, then you run the risk of having frozen pipes. One event leads to the other. Some clue words for cause and effect: because, effect, as a result, consequently, or therefore. And the next text structure, problem and solution. So authors use this structure when they want to explain a problem and show one or more solutions. So our problem here is that there is one cookie, but there are two people. So I might write about the problem and then offer possible solutions. So my possible solution here would be break in half and share. So if I was writing about this, that would be my problem and solution. Some clue words for this text structure: as a result of, if this, then that, led to, because of, or due to. These are clue words for this text structure.